Well, Mo, we have an amber weather warning in force for the Northwest Highlands. There are 3 potential problems. I'm trying to read between my fingers because I'm holding the GoPro. Gales, severe chill effect, and poor visibility.
And you. There's 4.
They've not listed me, fortunately.
Look at that!
Do you think we can get across the river today, Mo?
Not a chance!
Not a chance. You know, it's a year ago today that we traversed the highest point on the island of Madeira. We set off at 3 o'clock in the morning, watched the sunrise.
What a contrast in weather!
And then we had that glorious sunny day when the sun eventually broke through. Remember, it rose above the clouds. I don't think we're going to see the sky today, let alone see any sunshine.
We'll be lucky if we can see the truck in front of us.
Yeah, but we're going to go up to the Bialach because in theory, if you can still hear me, we're in the lee of the wind, so it's 80-mile-an-hour winds over the summit today.
It doesn't feel like we're in the lee of the wind.
And it's going to rain like this for the next, I think, about
48 hours.
No, more than that. I think
72 hours.
72 hours, yeah. Let's hike on. So, just for the benefit of the folks, this is a tiny little feeder stream
This is something with a main.
that goes down
There's one over there,
and it joins that other one that you can see there,
and there's other ones across that bump.
and then it goes down there and joins a third one, and then it goes into the river proper. So we have a wee bridge here where we can get across, fortunately.
Are we able to get back on it though?
Yeah, it'll be okay. I hope. It's a really good point that Mo raises, because any stream crossing that we do today, because we're out and back, we have to be able to recross it this afternoon. And water is already running over the top of this, but I'm pretty sure it'll be okay. We certainly don't want to get trapped on the wrong side of one of these raging torrents today.
As long as the path is not washed away, we're fine.
Yeah, we'll be okay. Okay, on you go, carefully, very carefully. Oh, it's pretty wet, folks. It's been raining here for 2 days, and river systems were pretty full prior to this rain coming in, which is making it fairly difficult to be able to get out and about and do any filming. Mo and I were out running yesterday. We said we wanted to try and get a wee video up before Christmas for you, but it's just been impossible with this weather to do any meaningful filming. I'm shouting here, I hope you can hear me above the roar of the water. So the river systems are full, but we have a major rain event coming in tomorrow. So earlier on, Mo alluded to the fact that we've got 72 hours of rain, but tomorrow, for a period of around 6 or 7 hours, there's a major rain event which has created an amber warning for this area. So we're in a yellow warning just now, but that changes to an amber warning later on, where there is the likelihood of getting a whole month's worth of rain in about 6 or 7 hours. And goodness knows what that's going to do to the river system. It's going to be a pretty serious flooding in places. Anyway, we're here for a few days. Nature in all her glory, Mo. Isn't that wild, eh? On a previous trip I hiked across there and took some photographs, but I'm not going to do that today. It's a little bit dangerous today.
I think that's sensible.
That's our track up ahead. And that's the hill there, which is completely lost in the crag. Okay, let's go, hike on. The track is quite wet.
Fingers. Walk me in the shower.
Mo's officially gone wrinkly in the hills.
Yes.
Right, So this is the last video before Christmas, Mo, so I better say Merry Christmas to the folks.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, folks. I'm going to give Mo the camera and I'll come round so you can actually see me.
Not that you want to.
So Mo and I have changed places. Mo's holding the camera. I've got no tripod today. It just wouldn't be possible to put the tripod up. Just too windy. So what were we saying? Yeah, we were saying Merry Christmas. I think this is the last video before Christmas, but we do have a Christmas special this year, which I'm going to release at, remind me, Mo.
6 o'clock in the morning on Christmas Day.
6 AM Christmas morning.
Coming to a screen near you.
Coming to a screen near you.
With YouTube on it.
And it's a long one. It's 2 hours 20 minutes. It's a travelogue of our journey to China. I'm not going to tell you everything that's in it, but there's a bit of hill walking in it, there's a little bit of cycling in it. I did a wee cycle tour when Mo went off and did a wee tour with her parents. So there's a wee bit of this, that and the next thing. It's a sort of video that you might want to dip in and dip out of, so have a wee look at it, folks, if you have a bit of time over the Christmas and New Year period. But I think for now Mo and I are going to continue climbing up until we get just below the wee ridge, which is not far away now. Despite the crag, I can actually see it, so I'm going to climb on a little bit, contour round, and then we're going to descend. I did have another video that I filmed with a canoe. Should I tell the folks?
Yes.
So I headed off really early one morning, and I was hoping to island camp on Elan Vorak on Loch Ba, but despite local knowledge telling me that there was still some open water, when I got up there it was frozen end to end and side to side, so I had to give up on that plan. And then I went down and I paddled, just a day paddle on some lower level water, and it was absolutely glorious. And I put the camera on here and there, but for some reason I managed to put my camera on
time-lapse
mode, so it was like a Charlie Chaplin film, so I didn't upload any of it. So apologies for the bit of a hiatus. We've not been out with the cameras since our cross country, but we do hope to get away over the Christmas and New Year period a little bit and take the cameras with us and take you along too. So Merry Christmas, folks. Enjoy the wee Christmas special, the long Christmas special. Take care, and we look forward to seeing you in the new year. So
Bye!
bye!